I'm Victoria Pearson, but you can call me V, and this week I am in a really foul mood actually, so let's go for a walk in the woods together. Okay, so today I have been pretty miserable for the last couple of days. If you've been watching my shorts, you probably saw that last week or so. And so just to shake off my slump, while we've got a little break in the rain, I'm going to come out and see how many signs of autumn I can spot in the woods. It is actually so warm for October, I had to walk back to the car and put my jumper away, couldn't handle it anymore. So let's try this one again. I might have just wandered into a fairy tale. Someone's put so much effort into this, it looks amazing. Look at that, it's almost wet-proof. Going in. Oh, they've got a little log set up as a seat and everything. Some kids must have worked really hard on this. There's another one there. We can sit and have a little chat in here. Really well secured in with the living tree there. I'm impressed with the construction skills, I have to say. That looks so cool. Random sweet chestnut, but it's miles away from any sweet chestnut trees. Just true sweet chestnuts on the ground. I reckon a squirrel brought them. We've reached that time of year where there's loads and loads of sweet chestnuts around, but unfortunately the deer and squirrels and things have got to them first. That one has been eaten. It looked so nice on that side, and then, but maybe we can find some. Except that I didn't actually bring my foraging bag with me. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that one's not open yet. It's much more prickly than a horse chestnut conker. These are edible eating chestnuts. The kind that you would roast over an open fire. Oh my god, look, there's a deer over there. Can you see the deer? I actually always thought that these Fly Agaric mushrooms were poisonous, but a little while ago I just saw somebody foraging them, and so I looked it up, and apparently they actually have medicinal properties and are quite edible if they're prepared correctly. And now I wouldn't know how to do that, so I won't, but it's obvious that some wildlife does. It smells like autumn, doesn't it? my god, I have just found my dream house. And it's for sale as well. How witchy is that? And it is this close to the woods. Thank you so much for joining me on my walk today. I feel so much better now I've got out into nature for a little while, and I really hope that you do as well. Join me on Monday for my next vlog. I'm not sure what I'm going to be vlogging about yet because it will depend on when I finish particular projects that I'm working on and filming for you. So I'm not sure which one's going to come next. But I will be here every single morning in your shorts, taking a great big deep breath. Letting you know what I'm grateful for, and I love when you join in with that too. It makes me so happy to hear what makes you happy. I will also be here on Wednesday doing a Witchy Wednesday card reading for you, and if I remember I will do a Terrarium Tuesday, but to be honest I keep forgetting that Chaz and Dave even exist. Until then, you have yourself a magical week.